Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily do a factory reset on your LENOVO Legion GO S handheld console. So at first we have to tap this button over here to enter the settings, and here settings. Now we have to enter the system, and here now we have to scroll down till we see here reset to factory state. We have to tap factory reset button here, and here as you can see we can clear user data and configuration and reinstall SteamOS. Let's tap confirm, and as you can see here we have restart required. We have to restart now, and this video will be without any cuts so that we can show you the whole process of this. And now our factory reset is done. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.